Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are making cheese crab Rangoon. This is my Philadelphia cheese. 2 small sticks. And I sprinkle some green onion. I'm gonna mix in with some jalapeno. Just combine the flavor. A little bit of spiciness and cheesy. Really nice taste. Just give them a fine chop like this. We're gonna mix it in. And here we have some crab meat. Not the real crab meat, but this is what the crab Rangoon usually make in the restaurant. So I think this is made out from the fish, polar fish, Alaska polar fish. This one is the gluten-free. I just get this from the regular grocery store. And we're gonna cut some out, and the rest can probably make soup. So just same thing, give them a nice roughly chop. So we're going to combine with the Philadelphia cheese, spring onion. That's our filling. We make this filling for the cheese crab Rangoon. Okay, that's good. Put it in. Basic ingredients in there. So we're going to add a pinch of salt, black pepper, or white pepper, some lemon juice, some cheese, thicker texture. You can add more juice, and then we're just gonna mix it up. It's gonna take a while because the cheese is very sticky. The best way is use your hand to mix the mixture. So now this is done. We take a little piece and try it. Creamy, cheesy. Little spicy, little garlic. Do we have garlic or no? We gotta add a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit. Okay. And this is ready to make the filling with this beautiful wonton wrapper. They come in thin and thick. Or medium. This is the medium thickness of the wonton wrapper. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Very simple. You don't need water or egg or anything. We take a spoonful of the cheese mixture in here, right? The next thing you need to do is just fold it with the 4 corners like this. See it? Like this. And pinch it in using the cheese mixture to stick the wonton. Look at that, it's gorgeous. And you want to have some air inside, so when you fry or bake it, the cheese will melt. Here we go. All right, I'm just gonna make a few for you, and you can do it. It's very easy. And have your kids do it too. Try to make the filling nice and even. So when you fry, they cook evenly. Look, just like that, 4 corners. You see? Like that. You can put a little touch by rotating the, you see? Rangoon. And just keep doing this. If you have a party, have your friends come together, can make this thing quick and easy. The restaurant serve the same thing, but they don't use as much ingredient because they want the profit. You see? Like that. Or you can put 2 down And the filling, if you want to add something else, like if you're allergic to shellfish, or this is, by the way, is a fish, and you can add chicken, cheese, crab, Rangoon, huh? Anything you like. See? That's a little bit too much. When you see too much, guess what? Take it out. Take it out. See? That's no rule. And then we'll put the filling in the middle, and then we're just gonna fold it. Very simple. You see? They have a little cheese sticking out. Don't worry. And you can tell your family this you eat this. Alright, so here we go. You see? Nice and perfect. This time we're gonna fry it. Why not? Right? Nice and crispy, hot. Make sure your oil is about 330 to 350 degree. Not too high and not too low. Okay. I think 6 I'm gonna make for you. It's just the idea, okay? Voila. See how beautiful? Now we are ready to fry this baby. I add some vegetable cooking oil in the wok. Make sure everything is dry. Water and hot oil don't mix together, okay? So now I just gonna give them a stir. I use medium-high heat. The reason I stir, I want to have the heat in this oil temperature rise evenly. And then I have extra wonton skin. I just cut it into like little strip. We make fried wonton chip, right? And in the meantime, I have a plate with some paper towel or just regular towel, dry to absorb all the oil later. Now, I'm gonna use one of my chip to test the oil temperature, and we know it's not quite hot yet because now the oil is not get to like 330 to 350. I've been heating this oil for a few minutes now, but you gotta be patient. But I do start to see the oil dancing. Make sure you don't put your finger in. Still hot. And I start to see a little bubble coming out. That means we are almost ready to go. Cannot be rushed because we want the oil to be hot. When it's hot, it's just gonna fry the wonton wrapper nice and crispy. If you cold like this, you put it in, all the wonton, the dough absorb all the oil, so it's not gonna be crispy and it's gonna be greasy. Look, start dancing now. Start dancing now. Yeah. So we're gonna give the oil another mix. You see that? Start cooking, start frying. And later you have to control your temperature too with the stove. If that's too hot, turn the heat down a little bit. If not high enough, you might need to turn the heat high a little bit, but this one is medium high heat. Looks good. When they start dancing around, this means we are ready to add the Rangoon in. Very nice. I'm gonna try another piece. Almost there. Almost there. Gotta be patient. It's the hot oil. Almost there. See, they rise up, mean the oil start getting hot. Okay, I think the oil is start getting hotter now, so we can put one in first. Make sure they bubble in. You see, they're frying, which is good. Yeah, this is good. That's a good oil. You see that? Beauty. Add 2 in, 3 in. Be careful when you add the crab Rangoon in. This oil is very hot. Oh, beautiful. And usually take about 2 to 3 minutes as long the wonton skin nice and crispy, it's ready to go. Now this oil is not too hot. If too hot, you will know. It's like a lot of bubble coming out. It's brown so fast. It might be burned really quick, you see? You just kind of like stir it a little bit gently because we want the oil fry each corner of the crab Rangoon wrapper. It's beautiful. This is way better than the restaurant. It holds it pretty good. If the oil too hot, it will split really fast because the cheese melts too quick. Dip in a little bit. Like that, you see? I'm with you. Beautiful. I'm just gonna add this in too. Our fried wonton chip. Oh yeah. The color start getting golden brown. Make sure you don't want to get a dark brown because once the color in between golden brown and dark brown is ready to take it out because they still will carry on cooking from the hot oil. And the color usually will a little bit darker than before after you take it out. And looking good. If you have a spider web, you know, the basket thing is easier. I have it too, but I just did not use it. So now it start getting closer. When I touch the wonton and the chip, I can feel the crispiness and get a little bit hotter, you know? Okay. I think this color is good because once I get it out, it will be crispier and darker. Remember I say the carry on temperature cooking. So I turn off the heat first. The oil is hot. Be careful, real careful with the hot oil. Just get it out like that. Place it like this, huh? Trickle the oil out. Oh, I can tell it's very crispy. You hear it? When you play with the hot oil, you gotta take your time, okay? The reason I don't do the wok is because our stove don't have that stand. They sell those wok stands that you can place your wok almost like a crown ring, okay? So this oil is still very clean. You can reuse it. You have to skim out all the crumb. You can reuse it. Set on the side. Make sure to keep it in the very safe place because the kids cannot touch it or even adult cannot touch it. It's really hot. It's gonna take a while to cool off. Now the fun part is the dipping sauce. It's fruity, pineapple, peach, vinegar, apple cider, sugar, honey, whatever you make or you can get from the store like a sweet chili, everything else, and mustard. So we take one of this. I know it's crispy. Dip it in it. So crispy. Not greasy at all because we use hot clean oil to cook. So this is this is huge. This is a giant. Look at that. Okay, go in. Hot. Yummy. Excuse me. Look. The cheese. Oh. Open like this. Dip it in. Oh man, it's so good. I'm not kidding you. So good. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Sorry you have to watch me eat. That's really good. Just don't eat it every day, okay? The restaurant cannot compete with this. I tell you. All kind of sauce you need.